The Storytap gem is an AI production coach, so scripting and design really to help YouTube creators really nail your high retention content. Okay, so what the gem does? The prompt is the gem. It implements the Storytap storytelling framework. So it is the storytelling framework that I have created. The advantage of using a storytelling framework while you are scripting your YouTube video is that it will really give you all the right steps to be able to tell stories and to engage people. So this is very important. It engineers narrative tension, okay, because in the Storytap storytelling framework that I'm using the but therefore, let's say, framework from the South Park creator. So it's a way to move the story forward by creating some conflict and some tension. It acts as a proactive coach. You will see it later, meaning that really it will give you some tips with some clickable links. You can see each time you put an answer, it will give you a tip and how to use it. It's optimizing also something which is very important. It's optimizing for AI search, meaning that it will break down the script in some, let's say, some bytes that are really important for AI optimization. So GEO is generative engine optimization. What it means is that if you're creating content, you have really to create some small size content where, for example, you have a question and then you have the answer, so that the AI can coach you based on the content that you have provided. It's really provide you also a minimum production path, meaning that the aim also is to not overwhelm you with a lot of stuff. So this is really something that is that what it does. What are the key benefits of for YouTube creators? If you are a solo YouTube creator, what are the key benefits about using, let's say, this gem, a kind of an agent, if you want? There are many benefits. So let's list them very quickly and see really how you can take advantage of this gem. The first one, which is really interesting, is it helps you have a superior audience retention. What it means is that there is a code that I like, which is facts tell and story sell. And when you are using storytelling, you are impacting your audience 22 times more. So there are some studies about that. You can look for it in the internet. There is a built-in, I call it a human moat. What it means is that really in the age of AI, you can use AI to guide you. Then after, to avoid that, you have generic content, and to avoid creating AI slope. Basically, the AI can ask you questions, and based on the answer that you provided, it will bake in your answers into the general storytelling framework, so that it feels more authentic compared to other, let's say, people just using AI and just asking it to generate a basic YouTube script on a basic subject. And what is also important is the way the AI is, the gem, sorry, is creating the script for you. It's really trying to, as I said before, put it in some capsules, some small capsules that the AI can code after. So this is what is called today generative engine optimization. It's a word that just say that before you have a SEO, so search engine optimization via Google. Now you want to be, let's say, to be quoted by AI to be more visible to your end users. Okay. It's a streamlined asset creation also. It will help you, let's say, create some visuals also. As I said, at the end, it can suggest you some images. It can suggest you some b-rolls that you can put. If you are, for instance, recording a video and not doing a live stream like I'm doing right now, it can propose you some ideas for thumbnails also, which is something that is really interesting. And something which is really also important in the age of AI, you know that SEO is still important. It's important when you have your YouTube video to have the right metadata. So it will provide you with ready to post metadata, which is something that is really important today. You will see the example before, and it's really a professional delivery. All of this is done automatically by the gem that I have created. It will really guide you and then ask you some questions, and based on your answers, it can propose you some options, and always it will ask you, those are the two options that I think you can choose from. but it will always give you a fourth option, which is a custom option where you can really write down what you want. You will see more in the example after.